Have you ever seen an Arabic belly dancer and thought, those moves must be so hard to make? Or you might have thought, I wish I could dance like that. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. My name is Amera, and I've been dancing and teaching dance for over 30 years. I have danced in palaces in front of kings and princesses. I've also been teaching belly dance to thousands of students in the past 15 years. In this beginners series for belly dancing, I will teach you all the essential moves to get you started. We will go through moves like shimmies, hip bumps, hip circles, shoulder shimmies, and many more. And finally, you will be able to put all those moves together into a dance routine. Once you feel confident with this beginner series, come and join our intermediate course. Ahlan wa sahlan and ma salama.